Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Jay Padmaja Raj. Today we'll see how to make a whole wheat healthy pizza. First thing to do is add 1.5 teaspoons of yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar in warm water and stir it well. Now keep this mixer aside till the volume doubles. Let's prepare the dough for it. Now take 500 grams of wheat flour, add salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and add yeast mix, and also add oil and mix it well into a dough. Keep the dough covered with moist cloth for 1 hour. Take the dough and tuck it into a round ball as shown in the video. To avoid dough sticking to your hands, dust the dough with wheat flour or oil and scraper. Partition the dough into 4 equal parts for 4 pizzas. For one big size pizza, we need about 125 grams of wheat flour. If you don't want to make all 4 pizzas right away, then we can make the pizza base and store it so that it can be used at a later date. I have put the link to the videos on how to prepare the pizza base in the description section below. This video was getting too long, that's why I have put separate videos for pizza base and pizza sauce, and you can find the links to those videos in the description section below. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Now grease the pizza tawa with ghee and dust with wheat flour. Now take the dough and start spreading on the tawa. To avoid sticky finger, sprinkle some wheat flour on the top of the dough. Now take a fork and prick the dough to allow the steam to escape. Spread the pizza sauce on the top of the dough evenly. To remind you again, I have put the link on how to prepare the pizza sauce in the description section below. Please check it out, friends. Now sprinkle some cheese on the top of pizza sauce. Here I am using a mix of mozzarella and cheddar diced cheese. Now add some toppings. Here I am adding green pepper, onions, red pepper, and yellow pepper. You can add more toppings as per your preference. Put the pizza in the oven and heat it at 200 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. Now our pizza is ready. You can cut into triangle pieces and serve it hot. If you like this video, please share your likes and comments. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel at Jai Padmaja Raj for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.